In fact, Aam Aadmi Party MLA in Punjab who's made a shocking escape from custody. AAP MLA Harmeet, who had opened fire at the cops, he was arrested. Is now after he had run over an SUV on the cops in Punjab. Harmeet Pathan Majra, who was arrested on rape charges. The cops had seized the absconding MLA's luxury SUV, and in a horrific act by Harmeet, he has now gone on to escape from custody. Let me cut across to Kamaljeet Sandhu, joining us with further details on this man and how he escaped. Kamalji.
This is the Sanor MLA who is in question, and very importantly, a film-like scene has come out because remember, Punjab, which is facing the wrath of floods, remember this MLA says he had been raising his voice, especially regarding the inadequacies as far as the flood situation is concerned, highlighting it. But said he also alleged that it was the interference of the AAP Delhi team which has led to a crisis. Now his lawyer has been speaking to media. And
right.
He's been saying,
Kamaljeet, I apologize, I'm interrupting you here, but Sardar R.P. Singh is with us on the phone line. Let's get a quick reaction from him on this latest development, after which I come back to you. Sardar R.P. Singh, this AAP MLA who's now escaped from custody after committing one crime after the other.
Well, that's the DNA of the Aam Aadmi Party, and then this man has been fooling a woman by saying that he's not married, and then still he has been exploiting that woman. And then since the woman has filed a complaint, now he's trying to take a recuse. Under that, he was trying to challenge the AAP government leadership there, saying that they are being managed by Delhi leaders. But that's a different issue. I mean, he's trying to just take a cover. But fact is that the woman who filed a formal complaint against him for cheating on her and then by exploiting her sexually. So this needs to be pursued, and then hopeful that this will reach to a final conclusion, not that just for formality's sake they file case and they later on try to put it under the cover.
Your message, sir, to the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo and the cops in Punjab who have also been at the receiving end when it comes to the AAP MLA.
Well, I'm saying so on record that they should take it to the final conclusion, not that merely filing a case and then arresting a person and then later on letting him off just because of the pressure right now, and then later on letting him off and then under the pressure of the central issue of the Aam Aadmi Party. I hope this is not another fast which happens within the Aam Aadmi Party. Earlier they were also arrested, then they were let off under some excuse or other.
All right, Sardar R.P. Singh, thank you for speaking to India Today. I go back to my colleague Kamaljeet, who continues to track every single detail. Kamaljeet, the kind of political clout this man enjoys, that he has been able to escape so far, the kind of charges that have been leveled against him, tell us what the inside story is.
See, it's unusual circumstances, almost like a film. But let me tell you, let's just break down. The FIR happened on 1st of September, late in the night or after 11 o'clock. And in the intervening night, they obviously found out that he was in Karnal. A team was sent. Haryana police was involved, and then he was taken into custody. And shortly after that, what we know is that he and his associates, while being taken away, seem to have managed to escape by firing at Punjab police. And this is where they fled in two cars, a Fortuner and a Scorpio. The Fortuner was subsequently seized, but the MLA has fled away in a Scorpio along with his aide. Now, what has led to a major embarrassment is that he has said that this is a political case because there was an FIR which was registered by the woman, and that is being heard in the High Court. Saying he had some sort of relief, and a DIG Roped was marked into the inquiry. Subsequently, it was also the Roped police, the Mohali police, which was looking into this entire aspect of allegations. But he said he'd been voicing concerns as far as the flooding and the inadequacies as far as the Aam Aadmi Party arrangement regarding the flood is concerned. Also talking about Delhi management of the Aam Aadmi Party really trying to instill angst against him, and this is where things get really complicated, because remember, a second case was filed, Punjab police was formed and a team was sent to Karnal, and this is when all this actually unfolded. But what is going to be embarrassing is the sort of escape which has really happened, because it seems that Punjab police was totally unaware. One of the police personnel is injured in this exchange of fire, but clearly the Aam Aadmi Party MLA is now on the run, leading to a major face-off and a major embarrassment for the Aam Aadmi Party, especially at a time where they're dealing with another of the issues and a crisis, that is the Punjab floods. Meanwhile, when the action takes place, remember the complainant Gurpreet Kaur has alleged that she was staying in a living-in relationship, and this is where he was already married. So a whole lot of things have really happened. A controversial man being caught out in a controversial arrest case, and this is where the Aam Aadmi Party, obviously, Punjab police sources saying the hunt is really on as far as the MLA is concerned, but clearly this is going to leave many in the Aam Aadmi Party red-faced.
Red-faced indeed, and several challenges at hand, like you rightly said, coming at a time when Punjab is reeling with widespread floods, and this AAP MLA that has caused huge embarrassment, also to understand the kind of clout he enjoys, of how well connected is he to the top leadership, that he is being able to get away. The fact that he literally, in order to run away, tried to run the SUV over the cops, and now escaping from custody, also speaks of the law and order situation in the state.
Well, one has to remember that this arrest has happened in Karnal, which is the neighbouring state of Haryana. The other part is not just about the clout. What he's alleging is against the Aam Aadmi Party leadership, saying that he had voiced concerns regarding floods, regarding loopholes, especially in dealing with flood. He went live on Facebook apprehending that there would be a case against him, that there would be a subsequent arrest, and this is where he's made serious allegations against the former Delhi Chief Minister, as well as the Aam Aadmi Party leadership from Delhi, saying they are the ones who really are leading this. The lawyer himself is calling this entire thing illegal, but meanwhile running from the clutches of law. Remember, he could have petitioned, especially in the court. He's saying there was an FIR, how could there be a second FIR of the same case? So all this is being seen at a point of time where the MLA says he's being critical of the functioning of the Aam Aadmi Party leadership. So all this is going to turn out to be a huge mess as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, because the Delhi unit very much being present here since the loss in Delhi polls. So a whole lot of them, including Arvind Kejriwal, have been persistently present in Punjab, and obviously at a critical juncture where Punjab is facing a lot of flood-like situations, especially in the hinterland, and great level of flooding, especially in several of the border districts. This has come at a point of time with this embarrassment could have been avoided, but the Aam Aadmi Party MLA, their own man, has turned out to be a major embarrassment for the party itself.
Indeed he is, because he is playing the victim card here, but the BJP pointing fingers at the Aam Aadmi Party over all that is happening.